But this oil that is upon my hands, you shall prosper. You shall succeed in everything that you do. The Lord has gone ahead of you. 2026 will have no failure. You will know no failure in your life. You will know no limitation in your life. This year you will not see miracles. You will be the miracle. This year you will not need an open door. You are the door that God has opened. This year you will not need anyone's approval. The Lord has approved you. 2026, the year of the Lord, is the year of your increase, expansion, elevation, prosperity, health, in the mighty name of
Jesus.